Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Nabila Minta Rahman. My metric number is S50673. So today, I will give a presentation about application biotechnology in aquaculture in scope disease management. So, what is biotechnology? Biotechnology can be defined as the use of biological systems found in organisms or the use of the living organisms themselves to make technological advances and adapt those technologies to various different fields. While aquaculture meaning is the farming of aquatic organisms including fish, mollusks, crustaceans, and others. So, what is fish disease management? Fish disease management is a combination of preventing the onset of disease and measure to reduce loss from disease when it occurs. Okay, so this is a flow about aquaculture disease management. So the first step is rapid detection and identification. So the biotechnology that has been applied in this step is molecular method and immunological method. So the next one is treatment and control. We can use DNA vaccine and probiotics. So the last one is prevention by bioremediation and immunostimulant. So, okay, rapid detection and identification of fish pathogen is a necessary because early detection can control the fish disease outbreak. Hence, the technique is easy to do. So, I got two method, which is the first one is molecular method. So, molecular method is a common method that have been used in molecular biology. It is to manipulate the DNA which generally involve manipulation of analysis of DNA, RNA, lipid, and protein. So this is the example of molecular method that have been used, which is nested PCR, RAPD, RT-PCR, RCB-PCR, RT-PCR enzyme hybridization assay, in situ hybridization, and in situ hybridization PCR. Okay, so this is the basic procedure and step in PCR. Okay, the next one is the next technique is immunological technique, which is use an antigen and antibody reaction to detect and identify a specific antigen and antibody associated with a disease organism. So this is the example of immunological method that have been used in aquaculture, such as IFAR, IHC, ELISA, dot blot, and Western blot. Okay, this is the indirect fluorescent antibody technique, IFAD staining of an impression smear prepared from bacterial cell suspension. Okay, we can see it. Okay, next, the next step in disease management is treatment and control. So, treatment and control is actually action and strategies that can be taken by a farmer when the farmer have identified and detect the disease in their farm. However, it is must under the advisement of veterinarian, aquaculture consultant of Department of Fisheries. So the first treatment that we can that have been used in aquaculture, which is DNA vaccine. According to the Norwegian Biotechnology Advisory Board, DNA vaccine is the intentional transfer of genetic material DNA or RNA to somatic cells for the purpose of influencing the immune system. As we can see in this picture, this is development of DNA vaccine. Okay. Next is probiotic. Probiotic is the use of beneficial bacteria as an alternative strategy to antimicrobial compounds for disease prevention and control in aquaculture. Usually, as the probiotic mixed with the feed nutrition. So this is the possible mode of action of probiotic. And this is the probiotic species with their role. Okay, the last one is prevention. Prevention is also necessary because we want to avoid the disease from occurs again. So without optimal prevention, the risk of disease will increase on a farm. So this suggestion prevention or the biotechnology that have been used in aquaculture, which is bioremediation and immunostimulant. So, immunostimulant is a substance which enhance the innate or non-specific immune response by interacting directly with cells of the immune system and activating them. This is the mode of action of immunostimulant. We can get the immunostimulant from bacteria, polysaccharide, animal or plant extract. This is the type of immunostimulant that have been used in aquaculture. Same with probiotic, immunostimulant also can be mixed with feed nutrition. However, a research was reported that the effective method to give immunostimulant to the fish are by injection. Okay, next one is bioremediation. Bioremediation basically is a bacterial species are added to point to degrade organic matter. The advantage and the function of bioremediation are to reduce the impact of effluent discharge, improve the of water quality, and the responsible use of water are key areas to be considered during aquaculture development. So the conclusion is, as we can see, biotechnology have give a big impact to the aquaculture industry because of their specialities that I have been explained just now. So that's all from me. Thank you.